How to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger and click on it. Click on force stop and then click on data usage. Disable the background data and the roaming data and enable only the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Go back and then click on storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. And after that, what you want to do next is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.